Hello guys, this is Hadika Batul and today we are going to discuss about science. So let's start the video. The word science is derived from the Latin word scientia, which means knowledge. And what is the full form of science? Science is the systematic, comprehensive investigation and exploration of natural causes and effects. Now, how can we define the term science? Science is a way of discovering what's in the universe and how those things work properly. So science is the deeply study of this universe. Natural science. Natural science is the branch of science and it is further divided into two categories. The first one is physical science and the second one is life science. Physical science is the study of non-living things or physical objects like a car, a chair, etc. And life science is the study of living things like a plant, a tree, a human, etc. Physical science is further divided into three categories. The first one is physics, which is the study of matter and energy. The second one is earth science, which is the study about mountains, rivers, earth, etc. The third one is chemistry, which is the study of chemicals and their combinations. Similarly, life science is divided into biology, which is the study about life, zoology, which is the study about animals, botany, which is the study about plants. So this is the short introduction of science. If you like the video, please subscribe the channel. Thanks for watching.